forward. Okay. Okay na. Sparring tayo. Okay? But there is no equipment. Kung napansin ninyo. Bakit? Meron kayo tayo. Number 1, para masana kayo mag-control ng sipa. Number 2, para hindi porket magaling kayo, bubugin nyo yung anak ninyo. Ha? You're going to have study sparring, but meron akong criteria. Number 1, kapag nasaktan o na-injury o na-knockout yung partner ninyo, 1,000 knuckle push-up dito. Hindi siya. Maliwanag. This is sparring English Tagalog. Tagalog. Okay. Ang sparring na to ay para it's very hard for me to say it in Tagalog. This is sparring, the purpose of this sparring is to have you to teach you how to control your kicks. Why? Later on, if you're going to teach, Taekwondo is not all about power and knockout. But Taekwondo is about control, about discipline. That means you teach your partner how to kick and to have a self-confidence. Diba? So, kailangan hindi po control, hindi power. Kuha. And every kick you shot. Kuha. Paano pag nasaktan mo yung partner mo? Ano mangyayari sa'yo? Nakapag-push-up na ilan? 1,000. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Babagay ko. Gets nyo? Okay? Face each other. Tuloy! O walang referee. Kaya mo control. Except sa kanila. I-move mo sila dito ng control. Yan. Iha yung dito. Yan. Teko ko lang po. Yan. Sige lang. Para lang. Okay. So yun. Two left. Shake hands. 1 minute. Okay. Pero syempre. See. Chop. I want to be sigaw. Pwede na sumigaw ako. Seconds. Seconds. 10 seconds. Come on. Okay, so yun. Face your partner. So yun. Two left. Shake your hand. Shake hands. Okay, face hand. Okay.